So many students might fail this particular question if proper attention is not given to this. You may think you can get the solution to this, but just pause the video and try it. Pause and try it and drop the answer in the comment section. Tell me what value is y. So but then, without further ado, I am the celebrity instructor Allison, and in this math video tutorial, I will show you how to get the value of y in 1 second. So the first thing I will need to do is to say that 3y over 4, I just need to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. It's fine if I just say, okay, let this 2 plus positive 2 crosses over to this side so that it becomes negative 2. So I'll just have this left. Alternatively, you could just say subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. This is what I mean. So if I have the original equation to be 3y over 4 plus 2, I'll subtract 2 like this from this side and also subtract that same 2 from this side. What's the essence of it? You know, anything you do to the left, you must also apply to the right. One of the reasons for which we are actually subtracting 2 from both sides of the equation is because we want to eliminate these 2, so that we just have only this on the left hand side of the equation. Whether you call this the right hand side is not a problem. You just want to have this left. So one way to do that is to take away 2 from both sides of the equation. And of course, 2 minus 2, that will be 0. So you have just 3y over 4 equals 5 minus 2, that will be 3. So at this point, what do we need to do? We need to cross multiply this. And we have here over 1 because 3 divided by 1 is still 3. So why I added that over 1 is because I want to cross multiply this way and this way. So if I have 3 multiplied by 1 multiplied by 3y, that will be 3y equals 4 multiplied by 3, that will be 12. So getting this, you divide both sides by 3 because you're interested in y. So if 3 cancel out with 3, therefore y will be equal to 4. That makes sense, right? How do you know if that is correct? If you plug in this 4 here, 3 times 4, that will be 12. And 12 divided by 4, that will be 3. And 3 plus 2 will give you this 5. Does that make sense? Okay, so I am Instructor Allison, celebrity instructor, and then I teach math and science. Please make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel, like this video, and share.